Hi you guys. So today I got my Lush Kitchen subscription box, and I bought this a few weeks ago and I just got it yesterday. This one is for the month of July 2023, and if you notice, it's not the usual green box. This one is yellow and it has bubbles all over it. So for those of you who saw my last collab video, Lush is doing a collab with SpongeBob SquarePants, and they have a handful of limited edition SpongeBob SquarePants bath and body products, and I showed them to you and describe them and whatnot. And I hear that this month's subscription box also has a couple of SpongeBob SquarePants products in it, different ones than the ones that are being sold for a limited edition. So let's see what's in this box. So I'm going to open it now. Oh yeah, see? It says right there. It says Lush SpongeBob SquarePants. Okay. Oh. Oh my, oh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this smells so good. It says, it says Bikini Bottom Fresh. Right? That's so cute. Okay, it says come on in, the water's fine. There's a card here. Alrighty, well, let's see which great smelling products we have here. Ooh. Oh my God, this is Gary the Snail, SpongeBob's friend Gary the Snail. Look how pretty he is. I love it. I love this. It's so cool the way it looks, and the colors are so bright, and I love Gary. This smells like American Cream hair conditioner that Lush sells in the stores. There's actually a lot of products that Lush has made throughout the years that are in the American Cream scent. It's made with vanilla and clary sage and lavender. So it smells sweet and creamy with a little herbal bright edge to it. And this is a bath bomb, so I can't wait to use that. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Can you see it? Oh, this is Bikini Bottom. This is a bubble bar on a stick. This one is made with tonka and Davana oil. And oh, this smells so good. This smells so good. Like tropical fruit. Like, gosh, like a banana coconut milkshake with some mango thrown in there. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. So that is Bikini Bottom. How cute. And then this is the limited edition Rare Mermaid Bath Bomb. And no wonder a lot of you guys have been looking on my blog. Lush had these for sale a couple of years ago, and I was able to get one, and now they put them in our subscription boxes. Isn't that gorgeous colors? Oh, so citrusy. It smells like a bunch of limes. It smells so good. So this one is made with lemon myrtle and grapefruit and ylang-ylang. So it's citrusy with a tiny bit of creamy floral. Very nice. And I have a bathtub demo of this here on my YouTube channel, and I'll put the I'll put the link in the description box below to that video if you want to check it out. And then, oh, here is the bubbling under bubble bar, and it's got little pieces of seaweed in there and lavender. This one is the same scent as the Big Blue bath bomb that's so popular that Lush sells and has been selling for decades. This smells like the ocean. It's got lavender and lime and some seaweed. So if you like bits in your bath, just squeeze the whole thing when the water's falling. Squeeze it while the water's falling on top of it and break it up, and it forms lots of bubbles. Or if you don't like the little bits in your bath, then get a little plastic kitchen sieve and you can crumble the bubble bar in the little kitchen sieve and then put that under the water, and the water will fall through and make bubbles on the bottom, but the little bits will stay in the sieve. Either way, it's very oceanic and refreshing, and it makes beautiful blue water. And I believe I have a bathtub demo of this as well, and in my blog, if you want to check that out, I have a picture of all the Big Blue products that Lush has created in the past 20 years. Except my enchanted bath melt is not there. That's one of the Big Blue products that I don't have anymore. This is Patrick. It smells so good. This actually smells like some kind of creamy chocolate candy bar or something. Coconut and vanilla. And this one is a soap. So we have a Patrick bath bomb made with coconut and vanilla that's on sale now for a limited edition on the Lush site, both the UK and US. And now we have a Patrick soap with the same scent. So cool. It smells so good. Oh my God. This is the Trichomania coconut shampoo bar. A lot of you OG Lushies will know Trichomania. Trichomania shampoo bar was sold decades ago at all Lush stores, and then after about 10 years of selling it, they discontinued it to make room for new ones, and a lot of people were really bummed when they discontinued it. And now it's a square bar, and it's so pretty, and it does smell like coconut. It smells so good, and it's supposed to be, as I recall, it's supposed to be more moisturizing than other shampoo bars, and it's so pretty. So those are the products. Just a whole lot of yummy tropical fruit smelling products and smelling like the sea. I think Lush did really good with the SpongeBob collab products. Very cute. The shapes, the colors, the scents, and the fact that they all go together, they're all tropical. I think that this is very well done and really cute. And just to explain the entirety of the collab, the Lush Kitchen subscription box that I just showed, has different SpongeBob collab products than they do on the website on a limited time basis for the collab. And I'll show you those products and the products in the sub box all together so you can see which SpongeBob products Lush is offering all together. So they have a SpongeBob bath bomb and a SpongeBob soap that are made with pineapple. They have a Krabby Patty or Krabby Bathy gift that has multiple products in one. They have 2 Patricks, a bath bomb and a soap with the same coconut and vanilla scent. They have a body balm, which is a pineapple, and it smells absolutely wonderful and is my favorite product. And then they have Gary bath bomb here and the Bikini Bottom bubble bar on a stick and the Squidward bubble bar. So Lush has made 9 products in all for this SpongeBob collab. So if you guys have any questions, just let me know down below. And a lot of you have said you were thanking me for uploading a video describing the products in the subscription box that we are to vote from and describe them. So I will probably do that again because you guys seem to like that one from your feedback. So whenever the next round of products to be voted on comes out, I will make another video here and I will describe all of those products so that you know which ones that you would like and which ones that you wouldn't like. And for most of them, I have pictures and bathtub demos and whatnot already. So yeah, so I'll do that again for you. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon on the next Lush video. Okay, bye-bye.